Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use TubeLab to find better YouTube keywords. If you want to rank on the first page of YouTube, you have to stop targeting random keywords that have millions of searches but impossible competition. The old way of doing keyword research is completely dead. Today I'm giving you a masterclass on how to use TubeLab to surgically extract high demand, low competition keywords that are guaranteed to bring views to your channel. We're skipping the generic SEO advice and diving straight into practical execution using the YouTube Rank Checker, the YouTube Outliers Finder, and the powerful YouTube Niche Finder. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to uncover the phrases your audience is typing into the search bar right now and how to build a bulletproof content strategy around them. Also, if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytics tools. Now, before we click around the dashboard on TubeLab, you must understand how search has evolved. YouTube's ranking isn't just about repeating a keyword 5 times in your description. The algorithm prioritizes relevance, viewer intent, and real-time engagement patterns. Legacy optimization tools only give you search volume estimations. TubeLab tracks actual breakout patterns across millions of indexed videos, allowing you to validate whether a specific keyword phrase can actually drive traffic to a smaller channel. So let's start by looking at the navigation panel at the top left area. If you go over to More, you see the Rank Tracker, also known as the YouTube Rank Tracker option. If you already have videos published, this is your baseline tool. When you click into this module, you're presented with a clean input layout featuring fields for your YouTube video URL and your target keywords. To use this properly for keyword extraction, enter your competitor's URL in the search bar and select your target region from the drop-down menu, which supports over 100 countries. Once you hit the Find Rank button, TubeLab fetches the full search engine page results. This allows you to track the daily movement of specific phrases and exporting the keyword rankings instantly into a CSV file for deep analysis. If you see a competitor's video climbing rapidly for a specific phrase, that phrase is an immediate candidate for your library. Now let's find completely new words from scratch. Navigate over to the top bar and you want to click on the YouTube Niche Finder. This database monitors over 400,000 active breakout channels. Inside the Niche Finder dashboard, apply filters based on your goals. So you can see the filters here and you have many options. For optimization, use the Execute Niche field to filter out broad irrelevant topics. Focus your eyes on the RPM estimation and monthly revenue columns. To build a highly profitable channel, filter for niches showing a high RPM. Once the system generates the channel list, click on a top performer to reveal their primary semantic keywords. Look for patterns and tag categories. TubeLab explicitly exposes the exact phrasing structures driving the highest ad revenue, giving you a list of high-value search terms before you even start scripting. Now, once you've pulled 10 to 20 potential phrases from the niche dashboard, it's time to move to the YouTube Outliers Finder in the main menu. You can see it right here, Outliers. This step is where you separate winning keywords from dead ends. Enter your chosen phrase directly in the search bar of the Outlier database. The interface will display a grid of videos ranking for that phrase. Look specifically at the outlier ratio column. If a keyword query surfaces videos with 5 or 10x outlier scores hosted on channels with low subscriber numbers, it proves that the phrase possesses massive search demand but incredibly weak content supply. This indicates an open content gap. If small channels can rank on page 1 for this exact term and pull numbers far beyond their subscriber baseline, your channel can do exactly the same thing. To take the keyword strategy further, you need to transition your phrase from creator language to viewer language. For example, instead of targeting AI workflow automation, viewers are indeed typing how to save time at work. TubeLab's C-phrase expansion mechanism pulls search engine autocomplete configurations in real time. So when you use the tool to expand a phrase, look for prefix operators like how to, best, why, and comparison setups like versus. This provides you with exact structured questions real people are inputting. Take these long-tail queries and feed them directly into the outlier ideation tool. By utilizing the platform's custom MCP server integrated with Claude or ChatGPT, the AI reads the exact transcript of videos ranking for those phrases and builds a structured outline highlighting the precise semantic keywords you need to say out loud during the first 60 seconds of your video to maximize retention. At this point, you can see the pairing keyword data with outlier performance takes away all the guessing. So if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytics tools. Next, we need to talk about tag extraction. If you click on Video Extractor, you can see here extract tags and thumbnails from any video. So what you simply need to do right here is to paste in the YouTube video URL and click on Extract Video Data. When it does, pay attention to the details. The system will list every tag and semantic variation used by the competitor in order of relevance. Do not copy these tags blindly into your metadata box. Instead, look at the underlying keyword density of their description field. TubeLab will show you the percentage of times the primary phrase is repeated relative to adjacent topics. Aim to replicate this balance within your own custom descriptions, ensuring your layout remains neutral to avoid keyword stuffing penalties while still hitting all the necessary algorithmic signals. Now, a massive shortcut for real-time keyword validation is the YouTube monetization checker. You can go over to more, click on the YouTube monetization checker, and this is really a browser extension. Now, when activated, you can perform standard searches directly on the main YouTube site. As you browse search results page, the extension appends a rich data overlay next to every listing. It instantly shows the AdSense status of the ranking video. It also provides you with details on its predicted revenue and tag profile. If you perform a search for a keyword you intend to target and the top 3 ranking videos show a high estimated RPM and low view variation coefficient, it means the keyword represents a highly stable, high-paying stream of traffic. You can then click the copy button directly inside the extension overlay to send those metadata fields straight into your active TubeLab dashboard clipboard. To consistently dominate search pages, you should set up a recurring optimization routine inside your dashboard. And you can of course split this by the 5 working days of the week. First, run your primary seeds through the outlier finder to detect breakout search intent from the past 7 days. On the second day of the week, you can move to the rank tracker and input your top 10 targeted keywords to audit your current positions across different regions. On the third day, you can use the AI outlier ideation to adapt high-performing title structures based on the successful search phrases discovered earlier. On the fourth day, you can analyze competitor keyword density using the video extraction metadata tool to adjust your upcoming upload script. And on the fifth day, you can use the niche analyzer tool to evaluate if seasonal variations are shifting the value of your core search phrases. Optimizing your YouTube channel for search traffic isn't a matter of luck, it's a matter of leverage. TubeLab provides the infrastructure needed to look past surface-level vanity metrics and focus entirely on actionable search data that drives conversations and views. From tracking daily keyword fluctuations in the rank tracker to uncovering hidden high RPM search markets inside the niche finder, you now possess a complete system to out-optimize your competition. So stop wasting time building videos around phrases that are impossible to rank for. Rely on clean data, target high-ratio outliers, and construct your metadata layout with clinical precision. Also, if you want to try TubeLab yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start growing your YouTube channel with better SEO and analytic tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.